This is the second part of exercise 13.2. So here question number 8 is, we have to construct a rectangle whose diagonal is 6.6 centimeter and angle between two diagonals is 120 degree. So what we have to do, first of all we have to construct a line segment of 6.6 centimeter. This is the diagonal. 6.6 centimeter. This is the diagonal AC, which is 6.6 centimeter long. So we have to cut off this diagonal at middle point, which is point A. It means 3.3 centimeter. centimeter. Okay, and this point is O. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to make 120 degree angle at O. Then 120. Now we have to join intersection point to O. Okay, now what we have to do, here you can see diagonals of rectangle are equal. So here we have to intersect this line at 3.3 centimeter. Okay, because half of 6.6 is 3.3 centimeter, because the diagonal of rectangle are equal and bisect each other. So here we have to intersect this line segment at 3.3 centimeter. So we will take 3.3 centimeter as radius and O as center, and we will cut it at 3.3 centimeter. On the opposite side we also cut it at 3.3 centimeter. Okay, so one point is B and another one point is D. Now we will join AB, BC, CD and DA. AB, CD, DA and BC. So here ABCD is a required rectangle. Now move to question number 9. Now question number 9 is, we have to construct a rhombus whose one side is 5 centimeter and one angle is given, that is 45 degree. We know all the sides of rhombus are equal. So first of all, what we have to do in this question, we have to construct a line segment of 5 centimeter. It is a line segment AB of 5 centimeter. Now we will make 45 degree angle at B. So for this, first of all we have to construct 90 degree angle, then we will make half of 90 degree. Okay, so it is 60, then 120 and 90. Join B to the point of intersection. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to draw half of 90 degree. Draw an arc and intersect it. Now join the point of intersection to B. So this is 45-degree angle. Okay, this is 45-degree angle. Now we know that each side of a rhombus are equal, so we have to cut off BC, which is equal to 5 centimeter. So we have to take radius as 5 centimeter here, okay, and we will cut off this ray at C. It is equal to 5 centimeter. Now what we have to do, now join AC. And now take A as center and draw an arc taking 5 centimeter as radius. You have to take 5 centimeter as radius here. Okay. Now taking C as center and draw an arc which meets the previous arc at D with the same radius, with this radius 5 centimeter. So it is the point D. Now join AD and CD. AD and CD. So ABCD is a required rhombus. In question number 10, we have to draw a rhombus whose one side is given, that is 4.5 centimeter, and diagonal is 5 centimeter. So how can we do? First of all, we have to draw a line segment which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So here we are drawing a line segment AB which is equal to 4.5 centimeter. It is line segment AB equal to 4.5 centimeters. Now taking A as center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, we will draw an arc. So we will take 4.5 centimeter as radius and A as center, and we will draw an arc. Now taking B as center and 5 centimeter as radius, we will draw another arc which will meet the previous arc at D. So here you can see 5 centimeter as radius. So these two arcs are meeting at D. Now join AD and BD. AD and BD. Now taking B as center and 4.5 centimeter as radius, we will draw an arc. So first of all, we have to take 4.5 centimeter as radius, okay, and B as center. We will draw an arc, and with center D and with the same radius, we will draw another arc which will meet the previous arc at C. Now we will join BC and CD. BC and CD. So now it is the required rhombus ABCD. Now move to question number 11. In question number 11, we have to construct a rhombus whose two diagonals are given 6.8 centimeter and 5.2 centimeter. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to draw a line segment of 6.8 centimeter. It is a line segment of 6.8 8 centimeter. AC is the line segment of 6.8 centimeter. It is a diagonal. Now what we have to do, we have to cut off AO at 3.4 centimeter, because 3.4 is the half of 6.8. This is the midpoint. This point is O. Okay, now we know very well that angles between two diagonals of rhombus is 90 degree. So we have to make 90 degree angle here. So how can we make? First of all, we have to draw an arc. We'll cut this arc at 2.60 and 120. Now we will draw an arc. We'll cut this arc and we will join O to this point of intersection. Okay, and we will extend this line to another side also. Okay, now another diagonal is of 5.2 centimeter. Now we know very well that diagonals of rhombus intersect each other and bisect each other. They bisect each other at 90 degree. So half of 5.2 will be 2.6 centimeter. So we have to take O as center and 2.6 centimeter as radius. And we will draw an arc which will cut this line at B. Now on other side again we will draw an arc which will cut this line again at T. Now we will join AD, CD, wait, CD, sorry, it is CD. Okay, now BC and at last AB. So ABCD is a required rhombus. Now move to question number 12. In question number 12, we have to construct a square where one side is given, that is 4.3 centimeter. So what we have to do, first of all, we have to construct a side which is of 4.3 centimeter. We have to draw a line segment of 4.3 centimeter, naming AB 4.3 centimeter. Now we know each angle of a square is 90 degree. So we have to make 90 degree angle at B and at A also. So here you can see $60, then 120. We'll draw arc, we will cut it and we will join B to the point of intersection. Here you can see. Okay, now each side of square is same. So here you can see this is 4.3 centimeter. So here we have to cut off BD, which is of 4.3 centimeter. Now taking 4.3 centimeter as radius and B as center, we will draw an arc which will intersect this line at C. So it is of 4.3 centimeter. Now Now join AC. Okay. Now taking 4.3 centimeter as radius and A as center, we will draw an arc. 4.3 centimeter as radius and A as center, we will draw an arc. Now taking C as center and with the same radius, we will draw another arc which will meet the previous arc at D. Now join AD and CD. And this is the required square ABCD. Now move to question number 13. In question number 13, we have to construct a square whose one diagonal is given, which is equal to 6.2 centimeter. We know the diagonals of square are equal and the angle between them is of 90 degree. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to draw a line segment of 6.2 centimeter. Line segment AC is of 6.2 centimeter. It is a diagonal. Now what we have to do, we have to cut off AC at the middle point. It means 3.1 centimeter. We have to cut off it at 3.1 centimeter, and this is the midpoint. This is the midpoint O. This is the midpoint O. So now we have to make 90 degree angle at O. 60, 120. Okay, we have to extend this arc. Now join O to the point of intersection and extend this line opposite side also. So here you can see both the diagonals of square are equal. So here you can see, taking O as center and 3.1 centimeter as radius, we will intersect this line at point B and at point D. This point is B and this point is D. Now join AB, BC, CD and DA. AB, BC, CD and D. Now it is the required square ABCD. Okay, now students, exercise 13.2 is completed. Thank you very much.